Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Passkey for account security on your X account. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your X account. Open up your X app. Go ahead and click on your profile icon right here. Go ahead and click on settings and support. Click on settings and privacy. Click on security and account access. Click on security right here. Manage your account security. Then scroll down right here. Make sure you turn on this toggle button. Enter your X account password. Click on confirm. Go ahead and click on create passkey. Go ahead and hit on continue. You are all set. Done. You can now use the passkey anytime you sign in. Go ahead and hit on done. It has been fully turned on. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.